Hey guys, welcome back. Tammy here with MyDentalGig today to talk about how to cancel a posted gig, either filled or unfilled. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is log in and you will land on your job board. This is the landing page. Every time you log in, this is where you will land. Now I have some posted jobs and some filled jobs in here, so yours may look a little different, but this is my landing page. So let's start off with deleting jobs that are simply posted. This means you have not selected a candidate yet. You may indeed already have proposals here, but until you've hired one, these are still considered a posted gig. So if you have a job where you no longer are in need, simply select these three little dotted lines right here and left click. And when you do so, you will notice that this delete job button option comes up. Simply hit delete job, which I'm not going to do that because I still need that, and it will remove it from your job board. Something else it will also do is it will inform the job seeker if there was an applicant that job is no longer there and no longer needed. So no need to worry about that because this will take care of that for you on that side. Now, if you have a filled gig that you want to fill, there's a couple things that you want to keep in mind. If you cancel a job anytime over 24 hours, there is absolutely no penalty, even if you've hired somebody and it's selected. Now, once you get to the 24-hour mark, if you cancel the job today for tomorrow, you are going to be charged the placement fee only. And if you cancel the job the same day as a filled gig, then you will be charged the placement fee along with a 4-hour minimum, which is payable to the job seeker. So keep that in mind when you go to cancel a gig, but there will be pop-up notifications to remind you of that as well. So let's scroll down and say that I no longer need this August 26th gig for this hygienist. So simply view these three tabs and hit cancel job. As you see it, now I only have 2 jobs versus the 3 on my filled job board because I no longer needed that gig. This type of cancellation will also inform the job seeker that the gig has been canceled and it has been removed from their scheduled jobs on their job tab. So again, no need to message that particular job seeker because this will automate it for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you have found this video helpful, and check us out on our other videos for some more tips. Bye.